Hi guys, John Jackson here. Welcome to this channel. Welcome to another video. And today's video I'm going to talk about Microsoft and Linux, the passionate relationship that started on 2018 when Microsoft started supporting Linux on the Microsoft platform through the WSL subsystem. As you can see in my blog, the links are in the description below. The relationship behind the Microsoft and Linux can transform the way we work across these platforms. And recently I was searching about the theme on the internet and I found the WSL2. It's a beta update on Windows 10 and it delivered to us the WSL2 running natively and magically the Linux applications on Windows 10 environment. And right now I'm gonna try how it works and do some tests on this crazy thing. Just before that, consider subscribe this channel, hit on the like button, and let's go. First of all, you need to have this version of Windows installed, version 21.364, and for that you need to access this settings panel, then click on Windows Updates, and it is essential that you are receiving the Windows Insider updates. For that, click here in Windows Insider program, insert your Microsoft account and ready just update the system to the latest available version. During this process, Windows will start several times, and as we know, this is absolutely normal in Windows environment. After that, we go to Windows Powershell or CMD as administrator, and we will enter the command WSL install. It's gonna install the program binaries, and this process will restart your computer once again. After restarting, we'll reach this screen. If it does open automatically, you can find it in your start menu by searching for WSL. Here we are going to create a user account on the Ubuntu Subsystem, entering a username, and now with password and repeat password to confirm. And okay, the installation was successful. We are already here in Ubuntu Shell. From here, we will install 3 native Linux applications. But first, we will switch to root user and update the Linux packages through apt. You're running the apt update and then apt upgrade. Alrighty, now I run these commands to install the programs we are going to test. It will be Firefox, Unported, and Inkscape. I'm gonna leave all the commands executed in the description. Now, with the software installed, they appear here in the start menu, as you can see, with this Linux icon and the indication that there is a WSL2 software. When opening Firefox, I realized that a window of the Windows Remote Desktop app is always open before the app window, and I think that Windows connect by this protocol and bring the window to the Windows GUI. So let's access youtube.com here. Another thing that I noted is this software works very slowly, and in the case of the Unported, it only opens the graphical interface if I run through the terminal. Now I'm going to quickly open the escape for you to evaluate the performance. And as you can see, the performance is very bad too. Anyway, we know that this is a beta version, and I really liked this idea, and I also believe that it will improve a lot in next updates. And one day, I hope we will have a hybrid system bringing the best of both worlds at the same time, natively and with decent performance. In the meantime, let's stay tuned on this and other technologies. And I hope you enjoyed this video today. Subscribe to the channel, leave your like and leave your comment if you were successful with WSL2 on your computer. And see you soon. Bye.